kumshi benta jong ka jinges nok ti lang bat ki ri India barok we ha ka Rakhe ya ka lingko singkha jong Dr. Sarve Pali Radha Krishnan lingba ka sngi burom Nonghikai teachers dia rajab san Ophis jong district school education officer DSEO Southwest Khasil district Rakhe ka ni ka sneaker pang ha ka multipurpose hall jong ka DC office la lau sang mau karwan Hagani kasi upa si kasar MCS Assistant Commissioner Southwest Khasil District lalongkom kongsan. Haga Rakhe na yo ruban pen ko burom iki lai ngut Nonghikai bala shajil halor ka jingtre shitom jongki kata ubabu Island Star Nongram ME B.Ed Principal Jakram Presbyterian High Secondary School Jakram secondary level babu completely imyong BE Honours Khasi Assistant Teacher Nongna Deficit Upper Primary School Upper Primary Level But Ubabu Emberstone Marang HSLC Assistant Teacher Tilangau Government Lower Primary School Lower Primary Level Habakran nakani kasngi uba si kasar ulapan kan mau bagani kasngi kalong kom ka jingkan mau ya u Dr. Sarve Pali Radha Krishnan Nonghikai bakrau ubla IT lo de la de na kabenta kalawai jongki khenna ulong ru lada khlem ki Nonghikai ngamla banlong kumni kumbang along menta lada khlem ki Nonghikai omla banmi ki officer ki engineer bat ki weide ki riu pau khaman uba kasa ulai khublei kerpang ye ki Nonghikai kibla tre shitam bat ket khia ban pelut por ban mensim ban ajhikai haki school ula penslori ki Nonghikai pakem dei ban no mensim wada pedeng ki jingye henrai ban beteng ya ka jingtrei bat ket bokkel yang na ka benta kalawe jongki khenna
Thank you. It's very auspicious day. I'm not going to preach to the teachers because I still consider myself a student wherever I go. I don't know here what you call teachers in our place, we call them babu. Whether it's a female teacher or a male teacher, we call them babu. Or maybe here you only call male teachers as babu. So that babu carries a priceless fund for us. Not everyone deserves to be called babu in our place. So today, I also, in honor of the teachers, I stand here. I would like to express my gratitude to our dear teachers of our district here. And I pray God will give you long and healthy life while you are in the service, or even after the end of your service, years of service. And God will bless you and your family and the schools that you are in. One word, one quote that I always keep in mind is the words of APJ Abdul Kalam. I'll paraphrase it, I don't remember exactly, but he said, if I were to be remembered as a good teacher, that would be the greatest honor of my life. He was former President of India. He likes to be considered a good teacher. So wherever we are, we should always be a good teacher. You see, you don't have to follow this profession to be a teacher. Especially to our dear students here, we don't have to follow this profession to be a teacher. You can be a teacher anywhere. You can be an LDA, you can be a UDA, you can be a peon, a chowkidar, or a driver. You can be a teacher to your friends. Not by using chalk and whiteboard or marker and whiteboard, but What is integrity? Integrity is you do what you think is right, even if nobody sees it. That's integrity. So that is very important.